In this video, we're going to review the property of logs. There's three main rules of logs. If you have the log base m times n, that's going to be equal to the log base b of m plus the log base b of n. If you have the log base b of m divided by n, that's going to be equal to the log base m minus log base n. And then you also have your power one, where you have log base p of m to the k is equal to k times log base b of n. Okay, so we can use these three rules to help us expand the log expression. So for example, in A here, we have the log of x times y to the third power. So first we're going to use the first rule up here, and we're going to expand the multiplication part. So this is going to be equal to the log of x plus the log of y to the third. All right, and then after that, what you can use is your power rule, which is going to give us the log of x plus 3 log of y. And this would be our answer here. Now B is a lot harder, but I'm going to have you guys try that one tonight and bring it to class tomorrow. So try B tonight. All right. We can also use it to condense logs. So in example 2 here, we are asked to condense some logs. Okay. So right now we have 3 natural log of x minus 1/2 natural log of y plus 5 natural log of z. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of work from left to right. First things first, let's go ahead and get rid of the exponents that we have here. So this is going to be the same as the natural log of x to the third minus the natural log of the square root of y, because remember y to the 1/2 power is the square root, plus the natural log of z to the 5th power. Okay, so now we can go ahead and go through our different properties. Remember that based on our rules above, that subtraction goes with division. So if we go from left to right and combine these two first, we're going to get the natural log of x to the third power divided by the square root of y plus the natural log of z to the 5th. All right, so now we can go ahead and put these two together by multiplying. So what we would end up getting in the end is the natural log of x to the third, z to the 5th, over the square root of y. Okay, so this would be our final answer. Tonight I also want you to try B and C and bring those back to class tomorrow. All right, the last thing that we're going to talk about is called the change of base formula. This is convenient whenever you are asked to solve different things. So if we have the log base b of a, this is going to be equivalent to the log of a over the log of b, or the natural log of a over the natural log of b. Remember, if there's no base written, it's a base of 10, which is what most of our calculators automatically go with. So the log is a base of 10 and the natural log is a base of e. All right, so you're going to be asked to evaluate these into your calculator. If we have log base 7 of 5, what that's equal to is the log of 5 over the log of 7. And when you plug that into your calculator, you're going to get about 0.827. And you can do the same thing down here with b. The log of 8 over the log of 0.4, which is about negative 2.269. Okay, don't forget to do the 3 problems that I asked you to do tonight and bring them with you tomorrow in class.